I finished a birdhouse project for my Was the Best Life Hack channel, and there's lots of clippings here of plastic bottles and single hole punch and plastic tie clippings. So it's gonna be interesting to see if the carpet sweeper can do what a broom can, pick up these items, and yeah, if it can be a substitute. Let's see, to the extent possible it can substitute a broom. Okay. Let's make sure we got in the right direction. Yeah, can't swing that way. Okay. Single hole punch clippings, at least. Think it would be easy to do. So finding little success with these big items, very little success. Let's get them out of the way and see if it can pick up at least single hole punch clippings and some dirt. Let's get some soil on the floor like so. Yeah. And yeah, let's see what it can do. Okay, time for action. Unfortunately, it seems to be spreading the soil. Not good. Yeah, just pushing it. What about the little single hole punch waste? Yeah, it's got those. Well, not always. Seems to push the dirt around on tile. So for tile, it's really bad. And that's the result. Now I need to go get my Dyson V8 and clean this mess up, what's left of it, thanks to this carpet cleaner. Well, thanks for watching.